Hi, good afternoon. Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Appreciate you stopping by today. We're going to give you a little video tour of the Alliance Paradigm 390MP, which is going to be a mid-office floor plan. Come on inside, let's take a look. So on the interior, the first thing we notice when we walk in the door is the nice control panel. What I like that they've done here is they still use switches, positive switches, so that you're not dealing with a electronic control panel, which is prone to have some issues. Nothing works better than a positive on-off switch. Lots of cabinet area right here at the center of the coach when we walk in. You're going to notice it's pre-wired for solar. You've got your two air conditioning controls right here, dimmer switches on the light, fantastic fan with control right here on the wall with all the other controls. It's got a rain sensor on the fantastic fan, small hutch area here with power, allows you for a good spot for a coffee pot or a blender. Nice four-door RV style gas electric refrigerator, residential style stove and oven. So you've actually got 4 burners and you've got a large oven, a 3.73 cubic foot oven. Nobody has that. Residential style and size microwave. You've got a large flat screen TV, surround sound system with CD, DVD player, extra large electric fireplace. You've got the rear couch that makes into a bed. That's a tri-fold bed. USB ports on both sides and 110. Both of the side panels go up, so you've got storage next to the couch. Nice little extra feature. Theater seating. Huge windows. The windows in this are they're marvelous, and they're slider windows, so they don't use the frameless windows. You don't have the issues with these windows, and you get a lot more air ventilation through them. You've got MCD roller blinds. Walking up into the hallway here, we're going to notice on the left-hand side, we've actually got an office space, which is very convenient. It can be used as an extra room, as an office, extra storage. That's always nice to have. Walk up the stairs into the bathroom, and we've got a nice residential size shower. We've got a nice sink with a resin style countertop, one piece, porcelain toilet. Moving into the bedroom, we've got a king size bed. We've got a nice walk-in closet. A TV's already set up, USB ports on both sides. This coach is just a fabulous coach. It's great for live-in or extended stays. All of your cabinet doors and drawers are soft close. There's just so many features. Come on by and take a look at this. You're really going to find it's worth your time. Beautiful thing on this coach you're going to notice, lots of exterior storage. Lots of large baggage area. All of your docking station is enclosed. Heated basement. Keeps those valves from freezing in the wintertime. On the front compartment here, we're generator ready. And this coach is truly generator ready. Not only has all the wiring been done, the transfer switch is installed, the remote start switch is already in the coach. You've got a firebox already here. So it is truly ready to go. Install a generator, set the propane up, some minimal wiring left, and you're ready to go. You're going to notice that you've got 6-point hydraulic leveling system. Large exterior awnings, electric awnings, exterior speakers to enjoy the game on the outside of the coach while you're under the large awning. Again, large pass-through storage compartment areas, easy access to plumbing, electrical, and cable connections under the coach. With this easy access compartment, it makes it really nice. Rear ladder. Poly roof material, so the roof material does not require any maintenance on the roof material itself. 3 air conditioners that can be run all at one time. This is an exciting product, well thought out product. They did extra work on the frame, the suspension, the tires. Again, well thought out. Everything is thought out. Everything was planned for, just the usage that we all do when we use these things. And it's designed so that you don't have some of the problem spots that you would normally have. Thank you for visiting us today. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions on this or any other RV, please contact me directly at Ron.McGowen at Guaranty.com or 541-968-6010. Thanks and have a great day.